welcome back to the melee playthrough. We may look a bit different. I did do some off-screen stuff because I got cacti stuff on, because why not? So I went mining and I got bismuth crystals, a lot of platinum, iron and tungsten, and I got more in here as well, which is pretty nice. And I was thinking we should make this and this, the bismuth cutter. I don't know what. Oh, why did I not think it was a boomerang? I might make another sword if actually no, that's pretty good. And then also we'll make a thing of getting a 25 and 12. So we'll make a platinum pickaxe so we can get meteorite, and then we'll get a platinum helmet. Boom. Bye bye mime hat. I'll still wear it though. I still want to look badass. And then I was also thinking, make another sword. Yeah, legendary. It's pretty good. That is pretty good. And also I was thinking to make one of these. Wait, what? Oh, there it is here. One of these spear tips. Spear weapons will release a damaging spear tip. Now, I don't know what it is. I don't know, like, how it works. I want to see. That's a spear weapon. Spear weapons will release a damaging spear tip. Maybe this isn't classed as a spear. Right. No. What? Equipable. I need to go find an enemy. I got the scooter as well, because I had enough gold, and you know, who doesn't want a scooter? It's awesome. So, equip that there. We'll just keep that in our inventory for now. But yeah, I was thinking we should try and fight the possibly try and fight the Grand Thunderbird today, because if we get the Thunder Talon, which is one of his drops, then we can make an awesome looking weapon out of it. If I get the thorium, which I don't have, but it shouldn't be that hard to get, should it? I also got some art crystals out of camera, and I got this, but I don't know whether to equip it. Like, I need to test out this spear tip thing. I don't get it. I didn't get it. Cause that's it without it. And then it doesn't really change anything, does it? Can you back click? No. It's weird. So I'll stick that on for now. Actually, there's enemies there. Let's try it on these. Boom. Okay, never mind. Boom. No, see? Didn't do anything. No point equipping it then, is there? Oh. Oh shit. Alright, so yeah. We could try and take the Grand Thunder bitch down. So I might try and do that. But it won't be the easiest thing. We can always try and I need better armor, but I don't know. Bin that. Quick stack. Okay. I also made some more chests for better sorting, hey? Water bottle. Oh shit. Iron ore. Day bloom. Mushroom. Two most important potions. Regen. And iron skin. I don't know when the alchemist moves in, because we have the AlchemistNPC. So should be able to spawn in. We'll just YOLO the Grand Thunderbird fight, but we need the Grand Flagon. It's pretty easy, but I don't think we have the Fallen Stars. So we need just more Antillean mandibles. Yeah. Alright. Let's go adventuring. Try out my new sword. Whoop. So I'll try and I don't know whether I'll do off-screen farming if it's not important, and then try and do one boss, one episode, but I mean the series wouldn't last very long, would it? So there's one. So I don't know. I'll probably do some farming episodes, maybe some building episodes, because I do want to actually kind of get the world developing to not look shit, you know. What the fuck? You okay, bro? There's another one. We need a store million. Oh. Which is another. Ow! 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 If we take that much damage by these guys, then I don't know what we're gonna do against the Grand Thunderbird. We just need more defense. But this increases melee. Yeah. Should probably. Actually, there's tons of tungsten here. Should probably mine this, eh? Because tungsten is silver. So if we could make a tungsten chest plate. No. Oh. It's a cactus dude. If it's a tomb crawl, I'm basically dead. I may as well just get the fuck out of there. You can see where I went on mine, and I went all the way down there and into the ice biome. I need a magic mirror. I found barely any houses in this world. It's quite annoying. And then we find tons of houses. Don't we just look fabulous? Where are the enemies at though? Yawn. Oh, there's one. No. Please despawn. Thank you, game. I didn't fucking drop it. Piece of shit. Ah. Whoa! Bro, he went flying. Jesus Christ. I can hear enemies everywhere, but I can't see them. What the f— oh, it's little cactus dudes. Oh, an extractinator is useful. I'd rather if you gave me a magic mirror, thank you. Game don't like me. I told you guys. So that's that. Oh, hi. Please. Fuck you, game. I hate you. No. Okay, it's a cactus dude. I always get really scared if I hear the worm, because I think it's the giant ones that can just one-shot you at this stage. We need enemies to spawn. They're not showing up today. Your enemies, where you at? They're all down there. They're all down here, apparently. Let's just go over here, shall we? We need more torches, Jesus Christ. Come on, bro. Hey! Mandible claws. Since I'm a melee playthrough, that's actually really helpful. Rare. I love this weapon. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ, it's powerful. Come on, phone. Oh my god. Oh. We haven't found... Please! I've already got one. Thanks anyway. Nope. I need still millions, right? I'll farm here for a bit, and I'll see you back at the house when we get the still million mandible. Oh, never mind. There's a oh shit. And there's the mini boss. Okay. Never mind about skipping. We'll see if we can beat the shit out of this dude. Don't. What the f- Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Okay. I'd call these overpowered, but that would really be an understatement. Because they're too powerful. Oh my god. Alright, we don't really need the coral, but actually, yeah, we do. Oh, what the fuck? There's a party down there. Oh yeah, I was thinking about going to floating islands as well. Because they would be helpful, and we could get some shit there. Come on. So, oh shit. Maybe I should ban these. I mean, they really are too powerful. Don't be a tomb crawler. Don't be a tomb crawler. Okay, we need to... Brah! We didn't get... Oh no. Oh no. Oh, we dead. Never mind. Okay, right. I really will skip to when we get the Storm Alien Mandible and see you guys in a bit. Ah! Never mind! Why am I being bullied? Why am I being bullied? Game. That's been changed. It only used to fire like little bit. Right, never mind. Every time I say, I'll see you when we get the fucking Storm Alien Mandible. Nope. Just instantly, he just pops out of nowhere. What the fuck? Okay. Okay. I got 9 Antillean Mandibles, an absolute fuck all. Storm Alien dudes. Let's go ahead. Come here. I want to make a tungsten chestplate. Yeah. Yep, that's helpful. Damage cannot exceed 155. Nah. Alright, also we want to make boom, boom. I'm gonna make some Victor sidebars, because I think we can make some shit out of them. Yeah! Oh my god, 25 well, 60% pickup speed. Nah, I'm alright. Or yo-yo. Oh shit, there's so many choices. 4. Should make the sword, because, yeah. Broken! Fuck that. I'm not even broken. Piece of shit. Thank you. I didn't cheat, what? What's cheating? Alright, okay. I'll see you guys back when we get the fucking shit then, shall we? We back, and we got it. So that's pretty nice, so we need you. Thank you. So we need to dump all of this shit. And go make a crafting table. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah. And then go grab the bars of iron. There we go. We'll just make 3. Yeah. And then put, wait, what? Oh, for fuck's sake, we didn't need one. Okay. Well, we already kind of have an arena, don't we? So I guess we'll just try. I think I'll use that. I don't know. Or use the bismuth sword. I basically just want ranged weapons for this fight. So I might just put you there. Go away. I think we'll switch this out for our Wolfram sword. Because this does way more damage. Wait. Oh, what? Oh. Jesus Christ! Why have we got so much melee speed? It's hilarious. It's so overpowered. Yeah, pickaxe. Bam. Boom. We do want a row of platforms for this fact, but not, like, I mean, like, wooden platforms. So I've kind of been stupid. And I don't have any wood either. Can we make cactus platforms? Oh, yes. Wonderful. This arena looks ugly. We're ruining our world already. We'll get rid of this once, but don't be a tomb crawler. Oh, hi. I'm one of you, you can't attack me. I'm your father. Never mind. Why is my mouse so laggy? What the fuck? Why is my mouse so laggy? It's just boom. Boom. Shit. Okay. YOLO, we have 3 of them. Nah, I do kind of know this boss. Don't tell me my shit doesn't even reach him. There we go. Boom, boom, boom. Wrap round. Ow. I'm clever. You basically do not want to land on the floor. Because them tornadoes will destroy me. And I will not be happy. Why did I just heal there? Oh, the hearts. I'm clever. Once he gets to half health, he starts shooting this massive feather thing that can just basically one-shot me. Maybe we should use this. This probably does more damage. Ow! What's this? Nah, yeah, this. Now, we want the Thunder Talon off this boss. Because that's the sword, and we can transform it into something cool with Thorium. Okay, now he's going to start shooting the feather. You basically want to stay under him, because if you stay under him, then you can easily dodge him. You just run your way to glory. Now this is an expert mode world, so everything is harder. Loop round. Don't get it. Don't get it. Oh shit. Damn, we the dodging master. We could beat Yaren right now, fun. Ow. Never mind. Ow. 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 Jump. Just jump. Just jump. That's the key. Jumping is key. Yeah, bitch. Please say we get it. Let's just clear him out my shit. The tote. Oh yeah, the new NPC as well. Okay, I'll farm this dude, and then I'll see you when we get back to the house. We'll kill another one after this because that's all we have. In a bit. Hello. We beat the boss. And, well, we got the treasure box. Stick them up there. We can also make shit with sandstone ingots as well. And the zephyr can be used to make lightning boots, I think. Stick you in there. Stick you in there. In there. Yep. So there's my pickaxe. Okay. You don't even. Nope. Alright, please. Yeah. Oh, never mind. Oh, oh well, okay. Well, we can use one and turn the other one into the, use that one then. You can also make stuff with this, but it's mainly throwing, but we can make a sword. But I don't think we want to make the sword, because it doesn't look good at all. So we'll stick that in there. That's another boss done. I'm gonna aim for every boss done. Every single one. Which will be fun. Right, I need to go mine and get some thorium. So I will be back with you guys when we get some. I think we've got enough. I think. Yeah, we're good. Alright, we also got this, but it's not auto swing, and it seems trash. So we combine you with you, and we make this. Wait, the Sandstorm Claymore. Boom. It shoots fucking tornadoes. How sick is that? Seriously, man. It shoots fucking tornadoes. That's amazing. I probably want to use you as well. Alright, this is a lot of new gear. You must be in bars. I think we also have enough pre-boss loot tokens to go to an anvil and make a money trough. If you don't know what the money trough is, say this is a portable piggy bank. It's pretty nice, isn't it? So sorry for a short episode, but I didn't think we'd kill the boss, and yeah, I'll leave it here. Just saying again, sorry for the short episode. I didn't actually think we killed the boss that easily. Whatever, we got some new gear. So, probably only be about 20 minutes long, because, the editing and that. So, oh yeah, we also got the Desert Acolyte. I thought I was gonna say, you can make a sandstone with him, which is really... Whoa! Isn't it just glorious? Epilepsy warning, I'm sorry. I'll see you guys in the next episode. And we'll maybe try and take down the Slime King, possibly. So, see you guys next time. Bye-bye.